holiday, good New Year's. Sorry I've been posting much, been kind of busy trying to get my real estate stuff off the ground, doing real estate on the side. So just recently got my license, signed on with the broker, so I've been real busy trying to get everything set up with there and haven't had time to make any content. And the weather's kind of been crappy around here. Today's the first day in a while that we've had nice weather. It was rainy and cold yesterday, today is great. But for 2020, I got some stuff coming on. I put together a meet probably like every 2 weeks at night, get the guys out, meet up, hang out in the parking lot, just shoot the shit. I did my first one a few weeks ago, had a few cars come out, met some new people I never met before, but I also got a Cars and Coffee. I'm trying to get the group together, all the car community together around here, and I got my first Cars and Coffee coming up. So if you're around the Cedar Creek, Maybank area, Sunday the 26th, we'll be meeting and doing the Cars and Coffee from 8 a.m. to 10. I'll post a picture and all the information below. But also got some events coming up. I know TJ Bailey and the TE Productions has a track rental going on at the Motorplex pretty soon. So I'm probably going to hit that up. Like to see what the truck runs in the quarter mile. But also, David and Kevin Van Vorst have a flashlight start going on at XRP. So I definitely plan on hitting that up. It's going to be February. I know Big Jake has a race in March at XRP, which is more of a grudge style, radial fast car shootout. I'll go there just to watch some of the stuff. I know they have like 15 lock-ins or something crazy, so I have a few friends who be out there racing that, so I'll be out there shooting some videos of that. But other than that, man, I haven't really done too much. I got a new wheel and tire combo on the truck that I'll post some pictures of. If you follow me on social media or Facebook, Instagram, you've seen the pictures. But the setup's awesome. Freaking truck finally hooks. It runs good, makes good passes, feels good. So other than that, man, I don't got too much going on. I'm gonna try to get where I drop a video a week with the nightly meets or the meetups at night, the Cars and Coffee coming up, some of the events coming on at the track. I plan to hopefully have a lot of setup. My uncle's car is an LS Swap Fox body, and he recently did. We decided that he wanted to pull the stock computer out and put a Holley Terminator on it, so that should be here this week. So hopefully next weekend, if the weather's good, we're gonna put a Holley Terminator in his car. I think that's gonna be awesome. It's probably gonna push me to really put a Holley Terminator in my truck. But got a lot of good things coming on for 2020. Hopefully I can get my real estate off the ground and get selling houses so I can buy some more race car parts, make my truck a lot faster. In the end, I really want to build another car. My truck's fun to drive around, but it's not near what my Mustang was. But I wanted a fun street car before I bought another race car. So I want to leave this one like it is, do a few things, put injectors, put it on the 85, put it on nitrous, lower it some more, and really work with the potential that it has, and then build something faster that we can play around in more, that's a lot faster. But other than that, that's all I got, man. I hope you guys get out and set out new goals for 2020. I know I got my goals for what I want to do this year with the car, family, and real estate. I got my goals set out for this year, so I'm gonna be definitely working towards those. And building my channel is one of them. Hopefully we can get a lot more viewers going on. But other than that, here's a picture of the truck with the new setup on it. Hope you guys like it. It's a 20x5 in the front and a 15x10 in the rear with the Weld S77s for the Silverado. The front tire is a 195/50/20. The back tire is a 29/11/5/15. It's a little wider than I want. The bubble sticks out a little bit. I'm gonna just put a regular 275/60/15 on it. Just a drag radial on it. Once I lower it down some more, I think it'll look good. Right now, I think the 28 on it would look kind of small, so I'll put a 29 on it just to kind of fill the wheel wells for now. But I think after that, it's gonna look pretty good. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like the new setup on the truck. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Check out my business account. If you guys got a house for sale in the DFW area, East Texas area, hit me up. I can sell it. I can help you find a house, find some land. Got a lot of plans for 2020, more track events, more things going on. So see you guys soon.